with ToAsia, it's a consulting I started this year. It's more about helping company to build sustainable growth, because I'm always a believer of sustainability. Like, you can grow when you have hyper growth, you're gonna shoot up, but you have a period where you come down and consolidate. I mean, just like our world stock market, anything in this world, everything booms, and then it the pendulum overswings, and then it always come down the other way.
Yes.
Yeah. And when these things happen, it's very damaging to the economy, very damaging to a lot of families, yeah, as well, because people are being laid off, all that happen. So I'm a big believer of companies that can achieve sustainable profits and grow in a sustainable way with a very strong foundation.
Yeah, and you've got a different term for them. You, rather than a unicorn, you tend to call them a
zebra. So, which is what I have.
as
Found a shirt for the podcast of zebra companies now, which is chasing more profitability, because a profitable company can never go bust. Yeah. So having that buffer,
That's right.
if the founder or the stakeholders are looking to sell or exit in future, they can choose to do so whenever they like. So they're not being forced to do so. It's actually better for the stakeholders and shareholders for these kind of companies. So a separate enterprise, I think, is the new unicorn these days.
Yes. And now, to match your zebra, I was nearly going to get a big, thick black marker and put it across my white shirt here so that I could look like a zebra as well. That's one of the reasons why, if we circle back to the zebra, is the more sustainable approach to a business, with the way the economies are around the world with interest rates and all those sorts of things. Clearly, venture capitalists are keeping their hands in their pockets a little bit longer at the moment, quite understandably so. And the zebra approach, as you've described it, is one that's going to see organisations for decades rather than just coming and going, as you've highlighted earlier.